Happy Halloween! Downtown Rockingham's spooktacular event starts at 4 p.m. today here in downtown Rockingham. Hamlet has their Boo Bash, and there's a whole host of Halloween events, trunk or treats, and activities that will be tonight throughout today. You can see that full list on Visit Richmond County on Facebook, on Instagram, or in our newsletter for this week. Prior to the home game tonight at Raiders Stadium, where the Richmond Raider varsity football team will take on Pinecrest, they will have a trunk or treat, and also the Richmond County Booster Club will have a tailgate party from 6:30 until 7 p.m. Kickoff is at 7:30 p.m. Here in downtown Rockingham, after Spooktacular, live music will be at Hudson Brothers Deli with Whiskey River, and they will also have a costume contest. At Double Vision, they have a Halloween party and another costume contest. Over at Rockingham Dragway, this is day one of the merge. This is a 2-day event, and it will bring some of the fastest bikes around here to Rockingham at the Dragway. You can see more details about all of these events in our newsletter. Visit richmondcounty.com. Saturday, November the 1st, 9 a.m., the Hamlet City Lake Pop-Up Market starts. Vendors will be set up around Hamlet City Lake until 2 p.m. At Richmond Community College, they have a car show that will benefit asthma and breast cancer awareness. This also starts at 9 a.m. Registration ends at 11 a.m. Rockingham Dragway will be in day 2 of the merge. That is the final night, Saturday night, November the 1st. And the Mount Pleasant Community Annual Auction will start at 5:30 in Ellerby. Strikers Lounge will have Bowtie Karaoke, and there is big cash up for grabs. In Hamlet at Axe to Grind, it is Girls Night Out. And at Venue 89, they have a comedy challenge. You can see more information on all of these events on the Facebook event pages. Monday, November the 3rd, there is a pork chop dinner. This is a fundraiser at the VFW in Rockingham. It starts at 5 p.m. And next week starts the celebrations for Veterans Day around Richmond County. Richmond County Hospice will have their annual salute to the veterans next Friday. Rockingham Dragway will have the first day on Friday of their 2-day Freedom at the Rock celebration. You can see more details about both of those Veterans Day events on their Facebook event pages, and also look for the information on the Veterans Day parade that will be on Saturday in Hamlet. For more information on all of these events and more upcoming fun here in Rocking Richmond County, make sure you are subscribed to receive our newsletter every Monday. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can do all that on visitrichmondcounty.com. We hope everyone has a fun and safe Halloween, and we hope to see you around Rocking Richmond County.